The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers New York District is currently removing 170,000 tons of sand from the Great Kills Harbor in Staten Island, New York. The project will improve access and safety with the removal of sand, sediment, and debris around the Crooks Point area, allowing boaters to dock at the harbor.
And we are dredging. We're supposed to finish close to November. End of the November, we should be finished with this project, and it should benefit Coast Guard, the local mariners, the local fishermen, and everybody.
Representative Nicole Malliotakis, who helped secure $6.75 million in funding as part of the 2021 Bipartisan Infrastructure Act, accompanied Army Corps personnel aboard the dredge to witness the work. Dredging is performed 24/7 in two daily 12-hour shifts. Approximately 5,000 cubic yards of material is removed each day and brought to a federally designated location about 3.5 miles off the coast of New Jersey.